This is Neil Patel, helping you succeed through online marketing.
All right, so today we're going to talk about why B2B creators are the next big thing. So do you remember what we were talking about at Inbound with Chris Savage, the CEO of Wistia, and also Jay Klaus?
Yeah, we were talking about how B2B creators can be massive because there's so many B2B companies with so much money, but there's not enough influencers out there that are in B2B that companies can pay and sponsor.
Yep. So main thing here is we're going to see a growing, like a rise in B2B creators, because the thing with B2C marketing is that it's usually a couple years ahead of B2B marketing.
But there's one issue with B2B creators, dude. Although there's a big market for it, B2B creators for enterprise just doesn't work too well. Like it really doesn't, right? Like if you look at most businesses that are closing enterprise revenue, it's through things like RFPs, outbound sales, SDRs, and the B2B creators are great for getting your brand out, whether it's enterprise or SMB. But from a revenue conversion standpoint, I think B2B creators are super effective for low end and mid market, not effective for enterprise. Doesn't mean that you shouldn't do it, because I think the brand awareness is still good. So that way, when your SDRs or BDRs, whatever you want to call them, start doing outbound stuff, people at least recognize the brand, but it just doesn't close as much revenue for enterprise.
Here's what I think we can debate on this, right? I think if you're a strong B2B creator and you have a strong audience, let's look at your audience as an example, right? Or Gary Vee's audience. I think it's a good way to go from 0 to 100 million faster, but then try to go from 100 million to maybe a billion or so, maybe doesn't help as much. I think it starts to slow down.
I don't even know if it's 100 million. I actually think the real honest answer is it helps you go from 0 to 10 million super fast. I think above 10 million, it really slows down on its benefit.
Yeah. So I think also we're still in the very early innings of this. Like this whole creator economy thing is still fairly new.
I also do believe B2B creators are super effective as long as you focus your content around a vertical or a niche. The problem that most people face with B2B content creators is they go too broad and they try to leverage consumer-based or B2C-based content just so they can get a massive audience, and then it's not effective when they promote a product or a service or talk about one, just because their audience is too broad and it's not B2B related.
Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.